Hello, this video is about a new product that has just been released by Needle Needs. Now, Needle Needs are the makers of the wonderful Millennium frame and Necessaire floor stand. I could not stitch without those two items. They're wonderful. Now, several years ago, Needle Needs brought out an updated version of the floor stand, and for those of you who have that updated version, you would have noticed that on the back of the floor stand there are two holes, and when this product was developed, those holes were put there for an attachment that Needle Needs had in development. Well, COVID happened and the development of that new product was put on the back burner, but it is now available for all of us to enjoy. And this week that product arrived, and it is an attachment that holds a tablet, an iPad, a telephone, and it is attached to your frame so that you can work looking at the screen of your, well, for me it will be my iPad. Now, I stitch using PDFs, and this is going to be a game changer for me. I've been waiting for this product for so long, and I'm so excited that it is here. Even if you don't stitch from a PDF, but you like to watch TV or YouTubes or keep up with everything that's happening on social media, having that screen directly in front of you as you stitch is going to be amazing. Now, I haven't opened the box yet. I thought I would open the box with you and put the attachment together and add it to my frame with you. So that's what we're going to do this morning. Let's explore the contents of the box. When you unpack the box, you will find some written instructions for assembling the Necessaire tablet and phone holder. You will also find a lower clamp, an upper clamp, the attachment itself, a knob, a washer, two screws, and two different sizes of Allen keys. Let's now put this all together. The first thing we have to do is attach the lower clamp. We will need the black Allen key to do that. You need to remove the two silver screws, and we have to attach this clamp to this section. Now, there are holes, two holes that line up, and the screws need to go in this way where there is an indent. So if you pop the screws down, and then you need to line them up with those two holes, remembering this groove is facing up the length of the bars. So we're going to line them up, and then once they're lined up, we will start to screw them in using the black Allen key. I hope that you can see that. So I'm just going to do the second screw before I finally tighten the first screw. When you've got varifocals, I'm working at the wrong distance, looking through the bottom of my glasses. We're nearly there now. You don't want to over tighten them. You know when they're right, when they sit flush. Oops. When they when they sit flush with the with this top. Okay, so let's go to the second step. Right, you need your stand for this fit, and you're going to take the 2 bronze coloured screws and put them in the holes at the back of the attachment. And with this bit, you have to line these 2 screws up with these 2 holes. And it is a tight squeeze pushing this piece of wood in. There we go. I believe those are lined up. So now we can start screwing these in with the silver Allen key. I'm working at the right distance for my varifocals now. Just takes a little time to screw these in. And before I finally tighten that one, I'm just going to do the bottom one as well. Here we go. Let's just finally tighten this top one. There we go. So we now have our attachment fitted to our floor stand. There's one more step we need to do. We only have one more piece to attach, and that is the top clamp. The top clamp has a piece of wood at the back with a hole running through. This piece is designed so it runs up and down this opening. So with the groove facing downwards, because this is the top clamp, line up this screw with those holes, and this pops on very easily. Take your washer, pop it on the end of the screw, and then just attach your knob. Now the knobs that Needle Needs use, they're very user friendly. I have very little feeling in my fingertips because of a neck injury, and I often struggle holding things, but these knobs are ideal. They're very user friendly. If you tighten the knob, it fixes the top clamp. If you loosen it off, it enables the clamp to run up and down. So I have my phone here, and it will work in portrait or in landscape, but I actually will be using my iPad more so with this frame. So let's have a look. I have the Pro, which is the largest size iPad. That fits nicely, but I usually view my iPad in landscape mode. Now, when you put the clamp down, you want to make sure that your iPad is positioned correctly so that it is caught by these grooves. You don't want it back there because those grooves aren't catching your iPad. You want it to sit perfectly within those grooves, and then you tighten your knob, and there we have it. We are now able to stitch using our Millennium frame and Necessaire floor stand, and we can work from a PDF chart, we can watch TV, we can watch YouTube, we could be on a Zoom call with other needlework friends. This is fabulous. I've waited for this for such a long time, and I'm so grateful that Needle Needs have finally brought this product out. It's available on Needle Needs website to purchase now. I can't wait to use it. Thank you for listening, and I hope that you will find this short video a benefit for when you come to assemble your tablet and phone holder. Until the next time, bye-bye.